Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to get more Audible credits in 2025. So I will show you various steps through which you can get more Audible credits in 2025. So first, Audible offers several membership tiers that provide more credits. That is Premium Plus that has 1 credit, $14.95 per month. Premium Plus that is 2 credits at $22.95 per month. Then comes Premium Annual that is 12 credits per month. Now, if you're on a premium plan and have fewer than 2 credits, you may see an option to buy a 3-pack of credits at a discounted rate. Visit audible.com/extra credits to check eligibility. You must be a member for at least 30 days to unlock this option. Now, new users can sign up for 30-day free trial on Audible Premium Plus, which includes 1 to 2 free credits and also access to the Audible Plus catalog. This is a great way to start building your audiobook library without upfront costs. Now, if you're not satisfied with an audiobook, Audible allows returns within 365 days of purchases. Go to your purchase history, select the title and choose return. Return titles will refund the credit used, allowing you to select another book. Now, Audible's referral program rewards you for inviting friends. Share your unique referral link, earn a free credit when a friend signs up for a Premium Plus membership. This is a win-win for both you and your friends. Audible frequently offers promotions such as 2-for-1 deals where you can get 2 audiobooks for 1 credit. Also, bonus credit offers through which you can spend a certain number of credits and receive an extra one. Keep an eye on your email and the Audible homepage for these limited time offers. Now, occasionally, Audible hosts listening challenges by completing specific tasks, earning badges, discounts, or even free credits. Now, as a member, you'll have access to Audible Originals and Plus catalog. This will allow you to enjoy more content without spending additional credits. Now, you can purchase Audible gift membership for yourself or others. For 6 months, it is $90 at 6 credits, and for 12 months, it is $150 for 12 credits. So gift memberships can be cost-effective way to acquire more credits. Now, some websites offer ways to earn Audible credits through activities like Idle Empire, through which you can complete surveys or offer to earn points redeemable for Audible credits. So always ensure the legitimacy of third-party sites before participating. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.